ॐ सहनाववतु
ॐ सहनाववतु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णै चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णै चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
वरदे कामरूपिणे
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकूह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुदशानां तालु
यशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरसाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋटुरसानां दन्त्याः
उहो उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
न्यवगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
वेदैतौ कण्ठतालु
एदैतौ कण्ठतालुः
औदौ तौ कण्ठोष्टम्
ओदौ कण्ठ औष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
last we have to start from third one, no? Translate following into the Sanskrit. We have completed 2 sentences, no? If my memory is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
So we have to start from third.
We did only one,
one.
ma'am.
First we
Yeah,
did it.
first we have done.
Shrutva Bharta.
Second we have to do. Yeah.
Okay.
We should do that. Yes.
So I can start from below of Deepak Bhai. We should protect those for whom we feel affection. We should protect it. So protect Raksha, and we should, then tin means maybe
Imperative. Yes.
imperative.
Imperative. Antu.
Deepak Bhai?
We. Antam.
Antu.
Antu, we should protect, not Antu. We should.
You.
We should protect, no?
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
We cannot able to hear. Are you speaking, Deepak Bhai? Your voice, yeah, we cannot able to hear your voice. Unmute.
Yes, sir. Even I don't know how to do this sentence.
So, so suppose we means vayam, that you know. Vayam should protect means ani av am.
Rakshita.
So raksha
Satam.
rakshatam. Rakshatam. So this is then raksha is a rakshati. Is the first conjugation, no?
Rakshit.
Rakshama, not rakshidam, that's why. Vayam raksham. Vayam rakshama those. Actually, teshu, but here it will come teshu. Why teshu, you know? I will. No, because this affection, no? For whom affection? That's sneha. For affection, the connected word always goes in seventh case here. Yeah. So vayam raksham teshu yeshu, not teshu, but yeshu.
Teshu will come later. No?
Yeah.
वयं येषु रक्षां
Hmm.
तेषु प्रीतिम् अस्ति.
Teshum sneha. Snihyati, no? Is, I think, say, fourth conjugation? Sneha. I think fourth when yakara is added. Teshu
इसे आत्मनेपदी नहीं
atmanepadi snihyate snihyati. Please check. Sneha. Snihyam teshu Yeshu, actually Yeshu will come here. Yeshu vayam rakshama teshu. For whom?
Fourth conjugation.
स्नेह्यति या
स्नेह्यति. हाँ. So
Snihyati. So
परस्मैपदी.
इसी से
main
present
one. So actually the sentence is first those Yeshu
रक्षित रक्षां
raksham
वयं रक्षां येषु
येषु वयं रक्षाम तेषु
tan, for whom means tan. The Yeshu is called seventh because of this vayam yan. Actually it should be yan only, but because of this tan
स्नेह्यति. हाँ. Okay.
snihyam, no? Again snih.
For whom we feel affection.
Yeah, for whom? So tan, for whom means tan, for whom? Snihyam. Or we can put also Yeshu vayam snihyam tan raksham. Then we will protect them, whatever.
that is it.
So like this.
Participle snigdha. From snihya we can make snigdha. Can we use snigdha and rakshitavantah like
Yeah.
participle?
Yeah, we can use yeah. So Yeshu vayam snihyavantah, not snihavantah. Snigdhavantah. What is the PP?
Snigdha becomes snigdha.
Snigdhavata. Snigdhavantah.
तान
Yeshu vayam snigdhavantah
तान सक्ष
tan vayam
Rakshita.
tan rakshama. What is rakshit then? Rakshitavantah.
Rakshitavantah.
Rakshitavantah. So Yeshu vayam snigdhavantah tan rakshitavantah. Otherwise, Yeshu vayam snihyama, it will come here. To whom we have too much affection, we will protect them. Like that. Yeshu vayam snihyam. Tan raksham. We should protect then raksham. Both are correct.
So, is it not necessary to write like Yesu, Teshu, Yena, Tena?
Yeah, but because of this sneak,
Okay.
it goes into otherwise. Yeah.
यान
Otherwise, I am yan snehyam, but it's other than it, then we can use yan. Okay, Deepak bhai. Still.
Okay.
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 Now, Jayashri Ben, I am seeing you.
Yes. It is proper to salute the master entering the house. So for it is proper, the word yujyate is given.
Arha, no? I think proper they have given arha.
Yeah, yujyate, word yujyate is given.
They have given
Yujyate.
yujyate, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it is proper, yujyate.
So I did like this. Prabhum gruhe vishtva vandanam yujyate.
Prabhum
Gruhe
gruhe
vishtva.
vishtva pravishtva.
It will be participle, no?
Yeah.
So wish be is the original dhatu,
Pravishtva.
and vishtva
Where is
Pravishtva.
vishtva?
in the vocabulary list.
Samar,
Wish.
why you
Wish, yeah, wish is to enter. Then Prabhu
So-
Vishwantam.
Okay.
What you have written?
Vishtavantam. Vishtva. I wrote. I am not sure it is correct, but I wrote Vishtva.
Because participle.
But having entered, entering, no pravishtva.
Okay. So to add
Whom?
Pravishtva.
Pravishta. Vishtavantam. If you Vishtavantam.
Vandanam yujyate.
To salute, no? Vandam. This vanditum. What is this? Vanditum? Human pratyay, no?
Should we should write, no? We should use potential.
No, vanditum, no? That tumun. This is
Okay. Vanditum.
because yes, they have given somewhere where we can use.
Tumun
Tum.
pratyay.
Adjective. Conjunct.
Suppose to see, no? Suppose this to see. Tum.
Okay. Just to. Okay. So Vanditum.
And here what you are telling, no? So this is also the man to whom the book was given has gone away from the house. So yasmai pustakam dattam sagruhat gatah. So yasmai narayad. So this is in fourth case. That person is one by one. So tasmai is not like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. According to the meaning, we can put the words.
गृहे प्रभुं विष्टवन्तं वन्दितुं युज्यते. Her sweet song could not be heard by Mukesh Bhai.
Her sweet song. So sa geet. Sa madhu.
Her sixth. Yes.
Her means her. Sa tetaha tam tetaha. Like this. Tasya.
Tasyaha.
Madhura Gite.
Madhuram
Which song will be in second case? So
Madhu.
no. Madhuram Ganam.
Madhuram. Tasyaha Madhuram Ganam na shruyet, no?
No.
We can put in potential. We can put in potential.
Potential. So what?
So
Heard.
They have given somewhere Shruyet.
No, it is not given, but for this Shakya word is given. So I wrote like Tasyaha Madhuram Ganam Srotrum Ashakyam
Ah.
or Srotum Ashakyat.
This is not ye to this is a potential. Could is not a shakya and ashakya.
Could not be heard. Actually, it is a potential, but shrew, no? You have not yet. It is true. Shrew. Shrunoti. It is, I think, it is in fifth conjugation.
We have
Srotrum, Srotrum, Srotum
Shrotum.
Ashakyam.
Shrotum. It is.
Here we have used graham
Ashakyam.
just before.
Shak is to be able. Shaktum. It can Shaktum.
Okay.
Here we have used on hearing, so we have used Shrutva on hearing.
Shrutva means no, it is not Shrutva. There is not two simultaneously. One agent is not doing two actions one by one. We can use Tva only when there are one agent are doing two action one by one.
So this is a simple
Tasyaha
potential.
potential could not be heard.
Past tense also we can use, no?
Could not be
Simple
heard by
past tense.
someone. But this is a passive, no? This is a passive. So
Passive.
so actually, this is shru. Then means shru means to hear. Then this if you add
To make passive, yes.
then ether. So shruyet. So tasyaha madhuram ganam na
Shruyat.
Shruyet. I think, but shru is given somewhere. I think in previous lesson they have given, no? Somewhere shruta, somewhere we have seen. So we are not, because in passive to original verb we have to add only yakara and then ether. So shruyet. Otherwise it is being passive, no? By whom? That is not given. Somebody is there, we cannot able to listen her song actually, but person is not given. So tasyaha madhuram ganam na shruyet, like Ramena. We can put anything.
So, what can be the meaning of Shrunoti word?
Shrunoti means he listens or she listens. It is a present tense.
Okay.
Ramaha shrunoti. So this is only shru. Verb is shru only.
Okay.
This is shru. This is shru. Otherwise could not be heard. There is no other could not be heard. Shrotum na shakyam. This is our understanding. What you have to,
Yes.
but we can understand. Shrotum na shakyam. Fifth one. Oh, by Mukesh Bhai. Your turn.
Those who are able to check their senses are like a competent charioteer.
Wow.
Sarathi, competent.
So here it is those.
Those.
Those who are able to check. So here to check, no, again we can put this tumun pratyaya.
Those. So
Those who are able to check.
Those like a generator.
What is the meaning of check? They have given to check.
Check.
Prashan, Prashan,
Prasamani.
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 So those moons, ye.
Ye.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Ye. Ye.
Prasamani is Indriyani.
Indriyani.
Yeah.
Indriyani. Prasamsamani.
Their indriyani. What is the meaning of their tesham? No? Tesham indriyani.
Yes. Ye.
Prasamani.
Ye. Tesam.
Indriyani. Prasham netum. No? Ni netum.
So ni again we have to, it is
Netum.
Prasam.
That's right. To check means netum. So prashamam netum.
Okay. Prashamam will remain as it is.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Okay.
I thought ni is a
Netum.
Sarathi compete like a
Are able.
Samarthaha.
Samarthaha. And we have to write again Samarthaha.
Sarathi.
Sarathi iva.
Netum Samartha.
Te.
Daksaha Sarathi iva. Yes, because competent word given
Dakshaha. No, then Dakshaha. Because te is.
Because it is a competent chariot. So it was singular.
Singular. They are like te Dakshaha Sarthi iva. Sarthi riva. Iva we can put Bhavanti. So actually, if we put properly, so I can write here whole sentence. Ye Tesham indriyani prashamam samarthaha. Prashamam samarthaha. Te Daksha Sarthi riva. Na Sarthi dirga. Bhavanti, you can put under Bhavanti.
Bracket.
They have one son, it is not their own, no? So, their own Ditesham, yeah.
Their senses.
Okay.
Tesam.
So Tesham. Now you will try, no? Deepak bhai?
6.
6.
Those who begin to dig a well when their house is burning are like men who take a medicine when sickness are led them to death's door.
Too long.
Too long.
It's a lesson, it's not a sentence, it's a lesson.
Those
Paragraph.
who begin to dig a well, then their house is burning, are like a men who take medicine when sickness has led them to the death's door. Oh, from where you start, Deepak, where? But to dig, no? Dig. To dig will come like net. Tumut
Kupakananam. Kupakananam.
khanitum. Khanitum.
One,
Okay.
those,
So those again,
A,
ye. Kupam. Kupam. Khanitum. Khanitum. Begin. Arabate.
Arabante.
Arabante.
Because ye so
Hmm.
plural.
Arabante.
Sandipte bhavane.
When their house is burning, one is again it's Eve will come like here, but when their house are burning, then it is a Sashti Saptami. It is Saptami.
Sandipte bhavane.
Gruhe dahati.
Gruhe. Actually, Gruhe will come actually here, but Gruhe. Then what is the burning means? Daha.
Sandipte. One word is given in previous vocabulary list.
Means Sandigde.
Not here, but Sandipte bhavane, yes.
Sandigde.
Sandipti,
Sandipte bhavane.
Sandipte. Sandipte Gruhe.
Gruhe or bhavane.
Bhavane also.
Yes.
Gruha. Bhavana means big. Sandipte.
Gruhe.
So actually this will come first. Gruhe
Yes.
Sandipte Khanitum Arabate. Then again is like. Then we have to take a medicine. Yaha. Medicine means
Aushadam.
Aushadam. Aushadim or Aushadam?
Aushadam.
Aushadam. Like a man, no? The man, not a Yaha will come. Ye means
Naraha.
ye janaha, something ye.
So Naraha.
Naraha. Aushadam. Take means again who take a medicine.
Gruhyante.
Sevamana. Ye
Sevyamana.
Sevamanaha. Sevyamanaha. Being is not Sevyamana, Sevamana. Not being, no? Sevamana. Again I will write. Ye naraha aushadam sevamanaha. When again this will come in Sati Saptami.
Yes. Vyadhaya dware nitaha mrutyuhu.
Vyadau. Vyadau, no? Seventh case. Vyadhi.
Okay.
Haro, like Sati Saptami. Hari, Haro. Seventh case. Vyadau has led them. Then, led means again, what is the netum?
Nitaha. Athva nitavantaha.
Vyadau. Nitavantaha, but what is the nit?
Mrityu. This
No,
for
but not
mrityu.
Nitavantah, but what is the seva?
Netum.
Nitavat. No, Nitavat,
Yes.
Nitavatsu.
Mhm.
Because this
Okay.
is Saptami, no?
Yes, Saptami. So Nitavatsu.
So Nitavati. Vyadho. Again, I will write Nitavati.
Singular. Yes.
Hmm,
Singular.
singular, because Vyadho is singular, no? And that's Vyadho, Nitavati. Then what you say? Mrityoho dwaram.
Hmm.
Dwaram.
Dwaram nitavatoh mrityuh.
Eva, again Eva, no?
Hmm.
So again I will write here. So first Gruhe Sandipte Sati.
Hmm.
First sentence is
So
Gruhe.
there have so we have to again use tesham, no?
Yeah.
Or yesam.
Because Yesha now. Oh, those. This is Yesha. Ye is there, no? Again here one Gruhe Sandipte.
Ye
Ye.
yesam sandipte
Ye.
gruhe anitum arabhante.
Upam. Upam is Rasva or Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Kupam khanitum arabhante te, then te janaha. What is te? Those people, no? Means te janaha or naraha, whatever. Te naraha. Naraha.
Like
Te naraha vyadho nitavati.
व्याधो नीतवती मृत्योः.
Nitavati mrityoho dwaram iva. Mrityoho. But still we have to put somewhere, no? That what?
औषध. Yes, aushadhi. Aushadam we must put somewhere.
Nitavati ya aushadam. Te naraha.
Yes.
औषधं सेवनं
Sevyamana aushadam. Yeah, somewhere.
ते नरा
Te naraha.
औषधं सेवमाना.
No, actually, te naraha. Actually, I'm just putting anvaya. Te naraha vyadav nitavati aushadam se. No, actually, mrityoho dwaram iva vyadav vyadav nitavati aushadam sevamanaha. So actually, this will come here. So te naraha mrityoho dwaram iva, then aushadam sevamanaha vyadav nitavati. But still, anvaya is not properly, I think I'm not able to do. So this is for our understanding. We should put properly these words. This aushadam sevamanaha. Te naraha, here we can put aushadam
औषधम
sevamanaha.
यादव नीतवती मृत्यु द्वारे अहो द्वारे
मृत्योः द्वारमिव.
द्वारे व्याधो नीतवती मृत्योः.
But still,
मृत्योः द्वारे व्याधो.
Bhavanti will come without understanding, we have to put. So then sentence will be coming.
Yes.
So
At
then,
the end we can put, no?
yeah, we can put, yeah. So gruhe sandipte ye upam khanitum arabhante te naraha aushadam sevamanaha vyadho nitavati mrityoho dwaram iva bhavanti.
like
For their house we can use yesam gruhe. Yesam sandipte gruhe.
Yesham gruhe, yeah.
हाँ, येषां गृहे संदीप्ते
संदीप्ते भवने और
हाँ।
संदीप्ते गृहे
हाँ,
कूप खनितुम् आरम्भन्ते
ये
हम्म,
नरा
ते नरः
औषधं सेवमाना व्याधो नीतवती
व्याधो
मृत्योः द्वारम्
द्वारे
एवं भवन्ति.
भवन्ति. It's too long, but
they have given swasya, they have given somewhere swasya means one's own, like this, their own house, no, sometime
no.
not yet given, no? Otherwise we can put her swasya, swasya gruhe, one's own, swasya
Or we can use swagruhe. Swagruhe.
स्वगृहे, या स्वगृहे सन्दीप्ते ये कुपनितुं, या तेषां is, no,
Hmm.
स्वगृहे also.
Sandipte swagruhe.
येषां स्वगृहे संदीप्ते कूपं नीतुम् ते नरा औषधं सेवमाना व्याधो नीतवती मृत्योद्वारम्.
Is Gujarati, no? આગ લાગે તે કૂવો ખોદવા ન જવાય. It is
એટલે આ એ કે આગ લાગે ત્યારે ગો ખોદે એવું કે જે
Yeah.
મરતો હોય ને એને દવા
કરે,
પીવડાવે,
હા, હા.
મરતો હોય ને દવા પીવડાવે.
Now last, Jai Shri Ben.
Oh king, you should forgive my offense.
It is easy for you.
Yeah. Bhorajan,
Hmm.
mama apradam kshamyatam, or I wrote mam arhitum.
Yeah.
They have asked you
Shantum
the-
arhasi mama aparadan, mama
Apradam.
aparadan kshantum.
Okay, tumun pratyay. Or mam arhitum also we can say, no?
Arhitum.
Mam arhitum.
Arhitum. Arhitum. Arhitum. You are deserve arhitum. They have
Ma'am,
put arhitum plus infinitive, no? So we can put like this only, yeah. Mom aparadam arhitum. Because they have
Because we,
given
it is used as na sochitum arhati.
arhitum. Then mom arhitum.
Mam arhitum.
Then what is the verb?
Infinity.
Forgive.
Forgive or forgive.
Then where you put?
Oh. Only if we can say mam arhitum.
But
Is
still,
it not?
but we have where we put word.
So then kshamya.
Samaya.
Kshami, actually kshantum arhasi. That's why kshantum.
Shantum arhati. Okay.
Tum.
Mam kshantum arhasi.
So mom aparadha. Offense છે ને, my offenses.
No, mama kshantum
My
arhasi or mam
Mama aparadam. Perfect.
apradam.
Mama aparadan kshantum
Arhasi. Okay.
Change the voice in the following. Mukesh Vai.
ધીમંતા ગાયિકયા.
Dhimatya.
ધીમત્યા ગાયિકયા ગાતુમ આરભ્યતામ.
Arabhyata.
આરભ્યતામ. Dhimatya.
Dhimati Gayika.
So this is in passive.
કયો છે?
Passive, no?
Hmm.
Dhimatya.
Dhimati Gayika Ganam Arambhata.
અરે,
This is never get changed.
passive. Then again te.
So Dhimati, Dhimatya,
Dhimati, हाँ.
Dhimati,
Dhimati Gayika. Dhimati Gayika.
ગાયિકા
Ganam Arambhyatu.
this is Gatum, it remains changeless.
ગાતું
Either passive or active, no change in Gatum. So it remains as it is. Now Arabhyatam.
again it
Now
Arabhatu.
Gayika is singular, one by one. Then Arabhate, Arabhyatam. You have to check this. Tam, no? Arabhyatam. Where it will come? This is Tam.
Imperative, yes, singular.
Arabhyatam. So same thing, because Arabe it's because Arab is a pace, means is a Atmanepad only.
हाँ.
So it is Arabhatam only. We have to remove Yakara. Understand?
Yes.
ધીમતી ગાયિકા ગાયક
Arabhatam. Dhimati Gayika Gatum Arabhatam. So there is no change in Tumun Pratyaya.
Pratyay will remain same for the
Same.
voices.
Now, Deepak, you want to try?
ભક્તુમ
Deepak, can you able to hear? Vaktum.
Vaktur
Will remain same.
Vaktur Munehi.
Munehi. Munehe, no?
Vaktur Munehi.
વચનાની
Munehe Vachanani.
संधि संधि छोटी पाड़ी पड़ा ना वक्तुर मुनेहि वचनानि
What is Vaktur?
અરબી
Vaktur Munehe. So if I change, this is Vaktuhu.
To Munehe Vachanani.
So just I am splitting Sandhi. Munehe Vachanani Bodhum
અરબી
Arabe. Means this is Arabe, means it is again Arabhyatam Arabe. So it is first person singular, no? Aham Arabe. I begin. Vaktuhu. This is Vaktuhu. Munehe. So what is the meaning of Vaktuhu? The words of Vaktuhu. One who is speaking. Vaktuhu.
Vakta.
You have to change. This is Aham Vachanani Arabe. Only you have to convert in passive. Now Deepak, Aham, it is not given, but still for
वचनानि
Aham.
आरभ्य
No, but
आरभ्य
Aham becomes
મય
Maya.
मया
Maya. This will remain the same.
मया वचनानि वचनानि आरभ्यन्ते
Vachanani.
plural थी
Yeah. Vachanani Bodhum.
वचनानि like
This is 1 by
plural
1 by 3.
आरभ्यन्ते
Arab plus ya and ante, no? Arabhyante. So becomes
Rabhyate.
So this will come as it is. I didn't put, but maya vaktu munehe vachanani bodhum arabhyante.
if we see it for the first time, we cannot grasp what is the meaning.
Mm-mm.
And we have to read it 3 to 4 times, then
Then
we can make out the meaning.
first we have to split the sandhi. We have to try
Yes.
to catch the verb,
Yes.
karta, and object. Then everything will be. Now this is the last one. I think last, no? 26 is the last?
26 is the last, yes.
Oh. This is only 5 minutes. So let's see. 26, the adverb clause. The adverb clause expresses a particular circumstance of a clause, generally precedes the main clause and is introduced by a conjunctive adverb to which a simple adverb corresponds in the main clause. So suppose they have given the tree lies where it falls, will be translated into Sanskrit as where the tree fell, there it lies. So they have given now the list of adverbs.
Hmm.
So they have given the list. So for time, so first we can say there are 4 type of adverbs.
Hmm.
First, interrogative means when, like.
Hmm.
Then conjunctive, to join two, combine two
Words.
sentence.
Sentences.
Simple.
Yes.
And one is indefinite.
Yeah.
So if we check, now first time wise, they say first time wise. Interrogative, when in English we say kada.
Hmm.
Same way conjunctive, time wise yada, when, yada yada hi dharmasya. Yavat, so for yada, when, tada, then. It is simple. Yavat, while, tavat, then.
Now,
Same way, kadachit, at times. Sarvada, always. And these all are is not declinable. It's called avyaya. Everything.
okay.
Same way it says place wise. So place wise, kutra, kwa. In English we say where. Kutra gacchati. Kutra gacchasi tam. Where are you going? So, yatra tatra. Where, tatra, there. Sarvatra, everywhere. Mannerism, katham, how. Yatha, tatha. Kathanchit, this is called kathanchit, somehow. The clause kim, why. Yataha means because, and then tataha. Condition, yadi, if you do like this, then I will do. Yadi tarhi.
Okay.
Then concession. Yadyapi, even I would like to come, no, but somehow I cannot make out. So yadyapi, although, tathapi. These are, and they have given the example. I think we will see it next time. Only 1 minute earlier. Interesting. Pancha. They have given only exercise.
Yeah.
Exercise is now long.
Mm.
Yes, they have given all.
The vocabulary list
Yeah, list.
of dhatu.
Mm. Hmm. Anything?
Ma, one Gita Sopanam book is also a good one for
Haritoshi is
practice.
learning from Gita Sopanam. So, Gita
Gita Sopanam.
Sopanam.
Fun.
It's a good book. Yes.
Gita.
So there we can practice it with what the exercise is given, what we have learned in the lesson.
Hmm. Gita Sopanam is for Gita only, no? I think they have given
No,
one.
it is for this learning Sanskrit, but with all the words and these characters of Mahabharata and
Hmm.
like
It's a lesson wise.
story in
Story.
a story. Yeah.
Mhm. So, do you have any soft copy?
Yes.
Yes, ma, I have
You can share with me.
downloaded in my
Hmm. First, we will do, but compound,
iPad.
Sure. Interesting. Yeah.
because compound is samasa, no? Very important.
Only for exercise. Yes.
Yeah, for us only.
Exercise. Yeah, we will do. We
Yes,
will
yes,
share
we
in
will
our
do
group.
that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shall we do Purnamada? Om Purnamadav Purnamadav
पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
Om
ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्